I walk to my red car. The sun is very bright today. I see something on the glass. It is a bright yellow paper. I feel very surprised and sad. This is a city parking ticket. I take the paper in hand. The paper feels very crisp and new. I read the big black letters. It says I must pay money. The fine is $50 total. $50 is a lot today. I look around the busy street. Other cars do not have tickets. My car is the only one. I feel very unlucky this morning. I put my bag on seat. I look at the yellow paper. There is a date and time. The time says 10 o'clock sharp. I arrived here at 9:30. I thought this spot was free. I did not see a meter. I checked the ground for lines. The lines are white and clear. Why do I have a ticket? My heart feels a little heavy. I wanted to buy a lunch. I must save my money instead. I look at the car's wipers. They hold the ticket very tight. I pull the yellow paper away. I must find the parking officer. I want to ask a question. Maybe the ticket is a mistake. Mistakes happen in the big city. I am a very honest driver. I always follow the road rules. This is a very strange day. I start to look for help. I look for a parking sign. I see a tall metal pole. A sign is at the top. It has many different colors today. I see red and blue ink. The sign has a big P. There are many small numbers below. It says 2 hours only today. It says no parking on Tuesday. Today is a sunny Tuesday morning. I read the words very slowly. Street cleaning is at 10 o'clock. That is why I am in trouble. The sign is a bit small. It is behind a leafy tree. I did not see it before. I scratch my brown hair now. I feel a bit silly today. Signs are very important for drivers. I must read every single word. There is an arrow pointing left. There is an arrow pointing right. My car is between the arrows. I take a photo with phone. I want to remember this sign. The letters are very clear now. I understand the rule perfectly today. No parking during the cleaning time. The giant truck needs the space. The street must stay very clean. I look at the dirty curb. It needs a lot of water. I am blocking the city work. I feel sorry for my mistake. I am a guest in city. I must respect the local laws. I keep the yellow ticket safe. I am ready to talk now. I see a blue uniform nearby.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
A woman walks down the sidewalk. She wears a light blue uniform. She has a professional black cap. Her name tag says Officer Sarah. She carries a small digital device. She looks very busy and focused. I walk toward her very slowly. I hold the yellow ticket up. "Excuse me, Officer Sarah," I say. She stops and looks at me. Her face is kind but firm. "How can I help you, sir?" I show her my red car. "I got this ticket just today. I did not see the sign." She looks at the yellow paper. She checks the number on screen. "Yes, I wrote this ticket, sir." She remembers my red car well. I tell her I am sorry. I am a student at college. I do not have much money. Can you cancel the fine today? She shakes her head very slowly. I cannot cancel the ticket here. The system is already very locked. I feel a little bit nervous. She listens to my long story. I talk about the leafy tree. The tree hides the metal sign. She looks at the tall tree. She nods her head in agreement. The tree is very big indeed, but the rule is still there. I must be a careful driver. She explains the city parking plan. Every street has a special time. We walk toward the car together. She wants to show me something. We look at the car's wheels. Officer Sarah points to the curb. I see a bright red pipe. It is a tall fire hydrant. My car is very close to it. There is another rule about water. You must stay 10 feet away. I am only 2 feet away. This is for the fire truck. Firefighters need to reach the pipe. If there is a big fire, my car blocks the water path. This is a very serious safety. I did not think about fires. I only thought about my lunch. I feel very responsible for this. Safety is more than a sign. Officer Sarah explains the danger clearly. Seconds are important during a fire. A car can cause a delay. I look at the red hydrant. It looks very important and strong. I am glad there is no fire. I am glad everyone is safe. The ticket is for 2 things: cleaning time and the fire hydrant. $50 is a fair price. I learn a very big lesson. Hydrants are not for parking ever. I look at Officer Sarah's face. She is happy that I understand. She likes to teach new drivers. I am not angry with her. She is doing a great job. She protects the people in city. I am a better driver today. I will check for red pipes. I will look for hidden signs. I am ready to be responsible. Knowledge is power for every driver. Officer Sarah opens a small bag. She takes out a blue book. It is a guide for parking. She gives the book to me. This is a gift for you. It has all the city rules. I open the first white page. I see many drawings of cars. I see drawings of street signs. One page shows the fire hydrant. It shows the 10-foot safety gap. Another page shows the cleaning truck. I see the days of week. Monday is for the north side. Tuesday is for the south side. I parked on the south side. The book is very easy to read. I like the colorful pictures today. Officer Sarah points to a map. It shows free parking zones today. I can park there for free. It is only 2 blocks away. I did not know about that. I will park there next time. I thank her for the guide. I put the book in pocket. I feel much smarter than before. Parking is like a giant game. You must know the secret rules. If you follow them, you win. If you break them, you pay. I am ready to play right. I look at my yellow ticket. It is not an enemy today. It is a teacher for me. Officer Sarah smiles at my words. She is a very good officer. She makes the city a home. I prepare to finish this task. It is time to pay fine. I take my smartphone out. I look at the yellow paper. There is a small black square. It is a digital QR code. I open my car camera app. I scan the code very quickly. My phone makes a happy beep. A website opens on the screen. I see my car license plate. I see the amount of 50. I press the pay button now. I use my digital bank card. The payment is very fast today. I see a green check mark. The ticket is officially paid now. I feel a great relief inside. I show the screen to Sarah. Look, I paid the fine already. She nods her head with joy. You are a good citizen, Leo. I put my phone in pocket. I tear the ticket into pieces. I put them in a bin. I am ready to move car. I get into the driver's seat. I start the car engine now. I look at Officer Sarah again. Have a nice day, I say. She waves her hand at me. Drive safely and check the signs. I drive away from the hydrant. I find a new safe spot. It is far from any pipe. There are no cleaning signs here. I lock my red car doors. I walk to my college class. I am 10 minutes late today, but I learned a big lesson. I am a very responsible driver. My mission is complete at last.